In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove TurboTax Premium. If you started your return in TurboTax Premium but realized you don't need those features, I'll walk you through how to switch to a lower plan and make sure any add-on services tied to Premium are removed. We'll keep things simple and thorough so you can get back to filing with the right product for you. First, open TurboTax, sign into your account, and open your current tax return. From your tax home, click Continue so you're actually inside your active return. You need to be in the return to make changes to your product selection. Next, look to the left sidebar and scroll until you see Switch Products. Click that to open the menu. In the options that appear, choose Downgrade. TurboTax will show you the lower tier plans that are available based on your return. You can typically move to options like Free Edition or Deluxe, depending on the forms you're using. Select the product you want to use instead of Premium, then confirm the change when prompted. If you don't see the sidebar right away, expand the menu or resize your window so the navigation is visible. If you're not currently signed in or you're having trouble getting to your account, use the link in the description to access TurboTax directly and manage your plan. Once you're in, return to your active return and follow the same steps. If premium services were added separately as a bundle, you'll want to remove that too so you're not charged for it. Go to the File section, open Review Your Order, find Premium Services Benefits, and click Remove. This ensures any extra fees tied to that bundle are cleared out along with the premium plan. If the option to downgrade doesn't appear, there's a fallback. Open Tax Tools, select Clear and Start Over, and confirm the reset. This restarts your return in a different product version. Keep in mind, this erases your current entries, so consider saving copies of your key numbers or taking screenshots before you proceed. When you restart, select the lower plan you want. After you've made the change, confirm that Premium was removed. Go back to your order summary or your tax home and verify that TurboTax Premium no longer appears. You should also see the updated plan and price reflected there. From here, continue your tax return and move through the filing process as usual. That's it, quick and clean. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you switch out of TurboTax Premium with confidence.